Quint 125, Engine Patrol 67, Engine 125, Engine Squad 68, USAR Task Force 103, Copter 12, Battalion 5. You guys are responding to report of a plane down. LA has also started additional units due to vegetation being involved. Location Las Virgenes Road, Mulholland Highway. Additional units, Copter 16, Water Tender 144, Crew 82, Crew 13-3, Crew 2-2, Crew 16-1, Superintendent 17, Superintendent 12, Superintendent 14, Battalion 1. Those are Team 6.
Small plane down with brush involved, 67s, Las Virgenes Road, Mulholland Highway. Medical arm 173s.
Control 67, please. Show it en route.
Control 67, copy. Communications plan for the brush response in the 67's area. Admin on Blue 3. Command on LA County V5. Primary tag is V9 direct. Secondary tag V10 direct. Air to ground on LA County air to ground. Crew dozer U14 direct. Victor 130.7.
LA is 67, go ahead.
67 additional report being reported near Las Virgenes, near Agora Road, possibly a construction site.
Copy, Las Virgenes and Agora. We're on our way. We'll investigate.
Copy.
LA Copter 12 copies response.
Copter 12, copy. Public assist 50s.
LA is saying that is going to be L4 for that round 67.
8-9, copy, stand by. Engine 68, cancel response, 68, cancel. 68, disregard, continue in. Engine 144, cancel response, 144, cancel.
LA from Battalion 5, can you add Malibu Search and Rescue?
Battalion 5, copy.
LA 68, we're going to continue. We're almost at Las Virgenes.
68, yes, continue in. 144, you can cancel. Rescue 18s.
LA engine and Quint 125 at Agora in Las Virgenes, unable to locate. Quint 125 is going to investigate at Mulholland. Continue all resources.
125, copy. 125 also being possibly reported Las Virgenes and Agora near a construction site. Also additional report of just north of Bark Park.
LA engine 67.
67, go.
LA engine 67, we're on scene at Las Virgenes and Mulholland. We find nothing. We're going to continue to investigate and head towards Agora.
67, copy. We are getting confirmation it is at Las Virgenes and Agora, behind the Water District building in the hills.
LA Quint 125 at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. We do have one copter approximately 300 yards east of this location. Have all units be on command for assignment.
125. Units responding to the brush fire 125's area reported Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. Reported to be a copter down approximately 300 yards east of the intersection. All units continue in and come up on LA County V5 for assignment.
Copy that. I'll get you a location here in just a second.
Rescue 171, Digital Squad 172, Chastain 222 North Market, across the region.
125, 68 on scene.
LA Quint 125, this is going to be Willow IC command post at Quint 125. I'm going to have all units stage at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. Be on command for an assignment.
Quint 125, copy. This will be the Willow incident. 125 Willow IC. Command post at it. Quint 125. Can you confirm if there is a brush involved?
LA engine 173.
173, stand by. Willow IC, LA.
Willow IC, go.
LA engine 171, squad 171 are going available. We'll take that call in our area.
171, stand by. Willow IC, can you confirm if there's brush involved?
Willow IC from Quint 125. It appears we do have a copter down approximately 300 yards east of this location. We do have some smoke, unable to see how much is burning at this location right here. We'll get back to you when we get some updated information.
LA copies. Once
En route, 9 minutes on assignment.
12, copy, 9 minutes. 171, confirm both you and the squad are available for the next run.
LA, that's affirmative.
Copy, engine squad 172, you can cancel 173, do you have traffic?
LA 173 is going to be a false alarm. Engine and ambulance are both available.
173, copy, false alarm. Rescue 27 with squad 50. Units responding to the brush fire 125's area at Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. This is now the Willow incident. Quint 125 is Willow IC. Command post will be at Quint 125. All incoming units stage at Las Virgenes and Willow Glen.
LA show, Patrol 67 on scene.
Patrol 67, copy, on scene.
Engine 125 from Willow IC, command.
Engine 99 LA.
99, go ahead.
99, move to fire station 68.
Go ahead. You guys going to be on the left or the right flank? Engine 125 from Willow IC, are you guys going to take the left flank or the right flank? Time 5, copy. LA, Willow IC, appears we have approximately 1 acre. We do have 1 copter down with medium brush. We do have smoke. We are currently starting a progressive hose leg. Command post will be at Quint 125. Have all units meet me on command for an assignment.
All units responding to the brush fire at Las Virgenes and Willow. Quint 125 reporting 1 acre, 1 copter down in medium brush. All units come up on command for assignment. Willow ICLA.
LA, Willow IC confirming we do have 1 water tender en route.
Willow IC, that's affirmative. Water tender 144 is en route. Willow IC, can you confirm patient number and tail number? Or correction, patient info and tail number?
That's negative at this time. When I do get some more information, I'll go ahead and follow up with you.
Copy. Seizure 22's area, squad 3. 1243 South Clella Avenue, Unit 2, across the Vancouver. Squad 3, acknowledge voice.
Squad 3. LA show squad 171 on scene.
Squad 171, copy on. Battalion 1 LA. 41, landline, CCBC. Injury ALS 39, squad 39. Chest pain 41, squad 40. Willow, ICLA. Willow, ICLA.
LA from Battalion 1, could you check with Battalion 5 and inquire if he still would like me to respond?
Battalion 1, copy. Battalion 5, do you copy?
5, that's affirmed. Let's keep Battalion 1 on the ticket.
Battalion 1, do you copy? Battalion 5?
LA Battalion 1 copies.
Willow, ICLA.
LA from Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow, IC, do you have a need for PIO, and do you have a helispot?
Stand by.
LA from Battalion 5, Willow IC will get back to you on the helispot. We have some visibility challenges with the fog, so let them clean that up and we'll get back to you on the helispot designation.
Battalion 5, copy.
on scene.
Copter 12, copy on scene.
LA, Willow IC.
Willow IC, go ahead.
LA from Willow IC. Let's go ahead and start one additional engine to Lost Hills Sheriff for the helispot.
125, correction, Willow IC, copy. Willow IC, engine 75 will be your helispot coordinator.
Willow IC, copy. 75.
Difficulty breathing 16's area, squad 16. Residential fire alarm 68 with engine 69, 2539 Prado de las Fresas, across the Parkway, Calabasas.
LA from Battalion 5, that's affirmative on P-Side.
Willow IC.
Battalion 5, copy. Willow IC, go.
Willow IC, be advised we have Copter 12 over the crash site. We do have approximate 30 by 30. Not spreading, appears to be a possible magnesium fire at the location.
All units responding to the Willow IC, current 125 reporting approximately 30 by 30, not spreading, possible magnesium fire.
LA engine 99.
99, go ahead.
LA 99, confirm this unit's move up to 68th District.
Engine 99, that's affirmative to 68th.
LA 99, copy. LA Battalion 5 on scene, Willow incident.
Battalion 5, copy, on scene.
LA engine 75.
75, go ahead.
Confirm which helispot you want us to man for this incident.
75, you'll be manning at the Lost Hills Sheriff Station.
Engine 75, copy.